हेलो एवरीवन, आप सभी का आपके अपने चैनल सारस ट्यूटोरियल पे बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज मैं क्लास 10 के बच्चों के लिए प्री फाइनल एग्जामिनेशन 2022 का जनरल साइंस का क्वेश्चन पेपर लेकर के आई हूँ। इससे पहले मैंने आपको तिनसुकिया डिस्ट्रिक्ट का दिया था और ये हमारा कामरूप मेट्रो का क्वेश्चन पेपर है। ठीक है, तो चलिए देखते हैं कामरूप मेट्रो में किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे। ठीक है, और इसके अलावा मैं आप लोगों से कहना चाहूँगी, प्लीज़ आप लोग चैनल को शेयर कीजिए, क्योंकि व्यूज़ नहीं आते और व्यूज़ नहीं आएगा तो मुझे मोटिवेशन नहीं मिलेगा और फिर मैं बंद कर दूँगी वीडियोस अपलोड करना, क्योंकि एक एक वीडियो बनाने में बहुत मेहनत लगती है और मेहनत लगता है, टाइम लगता है, बहुत सारा एफर्ट डालना होता है और उसके बाद भी अगर व्यूज़ ना आए तो मोटिवेशन नहीं मिलती है। तो प्लीज़ आप लोगों से मैंने पहले ही कहा था कि आप लोगों का बस इतना ही काम है कि आप चैनल को शेयर कीजिए। अगर आप उतना भी नहीं कर सकते तो मैं भी आप लोगों की हेल्प नहीं कर पाऊँगी इन फ्यूचर। ठीक है, तो चलिए देखते हैं हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन। यहाँ पे आपको चूज़ द करेक्ट आंसर लिखना है। ठीक है, 10 क्वेश्चंस है 10 मार्क्स के लिए। पहला क्वेश्चन है, ऑप्शंस आप लोग देख लोगे। ठीक है, व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन dilute हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड इज एडेड टू आयरन फिलिंग्स। ओके, देन ऑप्शंस देख लीजिए आप लोग। ठीक है, then question number B, a solution reacts with crushed egg shells to give a gas that turns lime water milky. The solution contains, okay. The question number C, the metal that exists as liquid at room temperature is. Then D, the arrangement of elements in the Mendel's periodic table is based on their, okay. Then E, the part of the brain that control the posture and equilibrium of our body. Then question number F, if a cross is made between the plants having TT and TT, tall and rough, genetic composition, which type of plant we will obtain in the next generation? Okay. Then question number G, the image formed by a concave mirror is observed to be virtual, erect and larger than the object. Where should be the position of the object? Okay, then these are the option between the principal focus and the center of curvature, at the center of curvature and beyond the center of curvature, and between the pole of the mirror and its principal focus. Okay, then the human eye can focus object at different distance by adjusting the focal length of the eye lens. This is due to presbyopia, accommodation, sightedness and farsightedness. Okay, then SI unit of electric potential difference is what? Okay, then which of the following is not derived from energy of the sun? Biomass, nuclear energy, geothermal energy, wind energy. Okay, section B. Define exothermic reaction. Why is sodium kept immersed in kerosene oil? Then what are saturated hydrocarbons? Then 5 number, in Mendel's experiment with tall and rough plant, which feature is dominant? Then what is the far point and near point of the human eye with normal vision? Then 7, identify the substances that are oxidized and that are reduced in the following equations. Okay, ये equations देख लीजिए आप. Then or write the balanced chemical equation for the following reactions. Okay, ये reactions देख लीजिए, इसका balanced chemical equation आपको बनाना है. ठीक है. Then question number 8, while diluting an acid, why it is recommended that the acid should be added to water, not water to the acid? Then question number 9a, write the differences between the transport of materials in xylem and phloem. Then B, how is oxygen and carbon dioxide transported in human beings? Then 10, write the difference between axon and dendrite. Then 11, describe the process of budding in hydra. Or what is the importance of DNA coping in reproduction? 12, state the laws of refraction of light. Then 13, will current flow more easily through a thick wire or a thin wire of the same material when connected to the same source? Why? Or if three resistance connected parallel in relation R1, R2 and R3, then what is the relation between the current through this? Okay, then 14, explain how does a solenoid behave like a magnet. Then 15, what is a trophic label, what is the role of decomposers in an ecosystem. Then give any two ways in which non-biodegradable substances would affect the environment. Okay. Then 17, why are decompositions reactions called the opposite of combination reaction? Write equation for these reactions, or write the chemical equation of the reaction that takes place when an iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate solution, and also mention the types of reaction. Question number 18, you have been provided with three test tubes. One of them contains distilled water and other two contains an acidic solutions and a basic solution respectively. If you are given only red litmus paper, how will you identify the content of each test tube? Then 19, the Daviner's stride also exist in the columns of Newland's octave. Compare can find out. Write one limitation of Daviner's classification. Then 20, mention two achievement of Mendeleev's periodic table. Also mention one limitation of Mendeleev's periodic table. Then write the difference between reflection and walking. Why reflex is developed in animals. Then draw a label diagram of longitudinal section of an ideal flowers. Explain how sex is determined in men. Then 24, a student has difficulty in reading the blackboard while sitting in the last row. What could be the defect the student is suffering from? Draw a ray diagram correcting the defect. 25, draw a label diagram of an electric motor. Explain its principle and working. Then 26, give definition of electric current. What is the SI unit of electric current and which instrument used for measuring electric current in an electric circuit? Then 27, compare and contrast fossil fuels and the sun as direct source of energy. How has the traditional use of wind and water been modified for our convenience? 28, write the name of a less reactive metal and what is cinnabar, and write the chemical reaction when it is heated in air. Then C, explain thermite reaction with suitable example. Then 29, explain the nature of the covalent bond with using the bond formation and CH3Cl with the help of an example. Explain combustion reaction. Then 30, what is photosynthesis? What are the principal events that occurred during photosynthesis? State how CO2 is observed by plants. Then 31, the magnification produced by a plant mirror is positive 1. What does it mean? An object 5 cm in height is placed at a distance 20 cm in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 cm. Find the position of the image, its nature and size. Then 32 is internal assessment for 10 marks. Okay, so these are the questions of general science of Kamrup Metro. Okay, apart of this, I had already uploaded other districts question paper, so please watch that video also, and if you need any kind of help, please comment. Okay, till then, bye bye and take care.